Welcome to our roundup of the best handheld power spreaders available today. Whether you're tending to a small garden, maintaining a lush lawn, or looking for an efficient tool to save time with seeding and fertilizing, we've selected the most reliable spreaders that combine ease of use, precision, and durability. We'll break down each model's key specs, focusing on features like spreading capacity, comfort, power options, and build quality to help you choose the perfect fit for your yard. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the right handheld spreader for you. The first on the list is the Chapin 84700A. The Chapin 84700A is a professional-grade handheld bag spreader that offers an impressive combination of strength, capacity, and comfort. Designed for homeowners and landscapers who need reliable performance, it comes with a 25-pound capacity that allows you to cover larger areas without constant refills. The bag is crafted from durable waterproof material, which not only protects seeds and fertilizers from moisture, but also ensures long-lasting use even in damp weather conditions. Comfort is another strong point of this spreader. Its ergonomic carrying strap makes handling more comfortable during extended use, reducing fatigue while still giving you excellent control. The crank handle system is smooth and easy to operate, giving you precise control over spreading rate and coverage. Unlike many smaller models, the Chapin offers adjustable spread patterns, making it versatile for everything from grass seed to ice melt. Overall, the Chapin 84700A is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a larger capacity handheld option with reliable durability and comfort, perfect for bigger lawns or more frequent applications. Next up is the WorkProx battery-powered spreader. This model takes handheld spreading to the next level by replacing manual effort with convenient battery-powered performance. The standout feature here is its automatic motorized operation, which removes the need for cranking and makes spreading faster and easier. With just the push of a button, you can evenly distribute fertilizer, seed, or salt without the arm strain common in manual spreaders. The design includes a large 3-liter capacity, which means fewer interruptions for refills when working on medium to large lawns. Its adjustable flow settings give you precise control over how much product is dispensed, preventing overapplication or waste. Another highlight is its lightweight and balanced design, making it comfortable to hold even when full. This ease of handling, combined with its efficient motorized performance, saves time and energy. Overall, the WorkProx is an ideal choice for gardeners and homeowners who want modern convenience with reliable, consistent spreading power. Next, we have the Scotts Elite Spreader. Scotts has built a reputation for reliable lawn care tools, and the Elite Spreader is no exception. Although larger than some handheld models, it stands out for its dual rotor technology, which provides superior accuracy and a wider spread pattern, covering up to 6 feet in one pass. This means faster coverage and more even distribution compared to standard single-rotor spreaders. The Elite Spreader also includes an extra-large hopper, making it suitable for both grass seed and fertilizer applications on medium to large lawns. Its ergonomic handle design offers comfortable grip control, reducing strain during extended use. The large wheels and durable build ensure stability across various terrains, whether you're working on flat lawns or uneven surfaces. Overall, the Scotts Elite Spreader is perfect for homeowners who need professional-level accuracy and efficiency, especially when working with larger outdoor spaces. Coming up next, we have the Uniquamo Power Spreader. The Uniquamo model is a versatile handheld option designed to combine portability with reliable spreading power. It features a lightweight, compact build, making it easy to carry and store, especially for smaller gardens or spot treatments. Despite its size, it comes equipped with adjustable flow control, giving you the flexibility to handle different spreading materials, from grass seed to ice melt, with precision. Another standout is the Easy Fill wide opening, which reduces mess and makes loading quicker and more convenient. Its manual crank system is smooth and dependable, ensuring consistent spreading without clumps or blockages. The design also prioritizes comfort with a sturdy handle that provides good grip and control. Overall, the Uniquamo spreader is a budget-friendly, user-friendly choice for homeowners who need a dependable handheld tool for lighter lawn care and maintenance tasks. The last one on our list is the Scotts Whirl Spreader. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the Scotts Whirl is one of the most popular handheld spreaders for small to medium lawns. What makes it stand out is its simple one-handed operation, allowing you to comfortably carry and spread with excellent control. The Whirl's smooth crank mechanism delivers consistent coverage, ensuring even seed or fertilizer distribution without the hassle of uneven clumps. Another major advantage is its lightweight design, making it easy to handle for extended periods and convenient to store when not in use. Despite being compact, it has enough capacity to manage everyday lawn care tasks efficiently. The ergonomic handle adds to the comfort, and the sturdy construction ensures durability season after season. Overall, the Scott's Whirl is an affordable, straightforward solution for anyone seeking a lightweight handheld spreader for regular lawn and garden maintenance. So that's it for the best handheld power spreaders you can buy right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your lawn looking its best.